doing? Hi. Thank you. You have your license with you, ma'am? Thanks. The reason I stopped you, a few different reasons. One, did you buy your vehicle with the window tint like this, or did you get it done?
Yeah, I bought it like this, and then this happened on our way here. I just drove it from Nevada.
Yeah, I caught that. That's a pretty decent crack right where your view's supposed to be at. Okay. All right.
So my mechanic can't fix it. I took it in yesterday for oil change and all that crap.
Okay. You got a dog in the back?
Yeah, my little Keyshawn.
Oh, nice.
Limpy.
She's wimpy?
She's limpy.
Oh, limpy.
I accidentally stepped on her. I'm dropping them off and taking her to bed.
Okay.
But,
You lost your
you told me to have it like this. I don't know, something else.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have insurance registration with you for the vehicle? Do you happen to have an ID with you, sir?
You have an ID on you?
You don't? No? All right.
I said man.
Why am I getting put over?
I told you the tint, the cracked windshield, and then you shortcut through the parking lot. I know that's a weird right turn only intersection. There's signs, you make a right at the intersection, and there's some signs, they loop you around the other hotel.
I didn't know.
You're not from here, so I wouldn't expect you to know that, but you got to obey the signs. Oh, you are?
I moved to Nevada and came back to pick up my
Okay, I just saw you, Monroe Falls. Is that still a good address?
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Hey, sir, thank you.
Now I gotta loop around.
What's that?
I gotta loop around.
Yeah. Can you go ahead and write your name and your social for me? I appreciate that. Do you have an Ohio license? No.
He's from Nevada.
Oh, you're from Vegas? Okay.
Yeah.
Write it out?
Yeah.
Write your name and birthday out.
I'm going to talk with you out here, okay? I'm going to have my partner watch traffic. I'm going to have you step out real quick, just go over this stuff and get you guys rolling on your way, okay?
I don't know, something affected me.
What's that?
Oh no, I got a really bad rash.
You got a rash? Okay. Well, you keep your shirt on.
I know. No, it's really bad. I use the product.
Okay. All right. Here, let's stand off here so we're out of it between the cars. I don't like standing between them. Okay. So where are you guys coming from today?
From my room.
From the room?
So I moved to Nevada. My son was getting in a crap ton of trouble, so I sent him back with his dad.
Okay.
And I gave it a little bit of time for him to learn, like, you need me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So then I came out here to get him. We're staying there for a couple days. My windshield got cracked. We got stuck on a freaking mountain in Colorado.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God, I need a tune-up.
Here, let's go back here. I'm going to write you a warning ticket. Not a real ticket, a warning.
I gotta get this filter. I gotta get a tune-up oil
Oh.
change. Need a new windshield. Like, it was a hell of a trip, let me tell you.
Hang on right here. I got my ticket. My warning's on the other side. You can just stay right there.
One of your officers was telling me yesterday that my insurance should cover that. Because he said
A lot of times they will. It depends on your level of coverage.
It's progressive.
Yep.
Oh, I have super full coverage.
Okay, cool.
Like I have lockouts, tows, and everything. Because I lock my keys in my car lock.
You'll definitely be. That's worth a call because that's not cheap. You know what I mean?
Twice, on a Monday and a Wednesday. I called and got lockouts because I had a feeling I got 3 of them. And on Monday and Wednesday, I used 2 of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you know the guys in the car?
So they're all from Stowe.
From where?
Stowe.
Oh, okay.
Where we live. Yeah, they're all my son's friends and his girlfriend. They wanted to hang out. My daughter missed them. So I let them come stay the night. I got to take them all home.
Is your son in the car?
Yeah.
Which one's your
My son's
son?
in the middle.
Oh, in the middle in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that's his best friend from Nevada. I brought him with me to kind of help. You know what I mean? Help with the drive and then help get him back out there and keep us from arguing and just like kind of mediate. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's nice.
Because he's struggling with some things and I'm just trying to get him away from here.
Yeah.
Stowe is not what I thought it was.
Really?
We're in Henderson. It's
nice.
Have you been there?
I have.
You go there?
Oh, yeah.
I love it, man.
Yeah. How long you been out there?
4 months.
You like it?
Yeah, there's just something about the sun every morning in the mountains that like helps your soul.
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah, I actually left too for my own struggles. I'll be honest, I was an alcoholic. I went to Vegas and got sober.
Good for you.
And everybody's like, what? And I'm like, who knew an alcoholic could go to Vegas of all places and get sober? But sometimes having it in your face all the time is like enough to say no.
That's awesome.
I think it's the fatal accidents I see every day. Like I've seen bodies fall out of car dead.
Really?
Yeah. So I think that's what did it. Seeing all those accidents and drunk drivers, and I was like, I just don't want that. You know.
How long did it take you to drive out here then?
Oh my gosh. The drive there was 4 days, but the drive back was a day and a half. Because I already
Wait,
did
you
it.
drove from here to go there?
I drove there with my kids, and then my son acted up, so I flew him back out here.
Okay.
Because he needed to learn a hard lesson, like what life's like without me.
So you drove your son from Stowe out to Vegas?
Yep, I
and then
just
you
one day
flew him
packed
out?
up my shit and was gone.
Okay.
And and I have a storage unit here I need to empty out.
Okay.
So there's just stuff to take care of. I just left. I didn't handle everything because I was just trying to really get him out of harm's way.
Yeah.
Away from the drugs, away from the violence. It was too much.
Good.
It was hard.
Yeah. So who did you drive it back with from Vegas?
With his friend. I brought his friend to help drive.
The front passenger?
Yep, I brought him to help drive and then to help me, to help us mediate. Because we argue a lot. He's a teenager. Holy crap.
Yeah, he's locked up. He's not coming out.
Oh, he made my Keyshawn alive.
So, are you going back to Vegas or are you staying out here?
Yeah, we're gonna go back. No, he's coming too.
Your son's coming back?
I got a question.
Yeah.
I have to meet a parent. So my son struggles with the opiates or whatnot. Sometimes, you know what I mean? He's been sober, but he's relapsed twice. But the problem is that the facilities won't take them without their consent, and they're minors.
Yeah.
Which is effed up to me beyond royally, mentally, all kind of ways, right? But I found out there was a place out here. That's why I really came back, and he doesn't know it yet, but he's about to be thrown in.
Okay.
So I don't know yet. I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Let me ask you this: your car does smell like marijuana. How much weed's in the car?
I don't know. I know they were smoking before we left.
Okay. I mean, are they 21 and older?
Yeah, he is. Well, he's 20. He's about to be 21. He was smoking.
Well, they got to be 21 and older.
Okay.
So
I didn't know
they
that.
brought the weed in the car?
No, he was smoking before we left. I won't let them smoke in my room. He did smoke. He smoked in the car.
Okay.
I didn't know until I came out and smelled it, and I was like, "Fuck you guys! You can't do that."
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So, where are you guys headed to right now then?
So I gotta take them back to Stowe. I gotta take my daughter to her sitter. I gotta take my dog to the vet because I accidentally stepped on her and she's limping. So I just got a lot of crap to do.
Okay.
Hopefully my dog's okay.
Your dog?
Yeah. She's not even stepping on it.
Ugh.
And she's a show dog. I have a photo shoot for her. She's a dog that does the tricks and and with the little bows. She's a Keyshawn. So if I broke her, it's not healthy. Oh my god.
Is there anything inside the vehicle I need to be concerned about that would be illegal in the car? Any firearms?
Not that I know of.
Any kind of computer equipment for skimmers, scanners, anything like ripping off credit cards, anything like that?
There better not be.
Okay. Part of what we do on the roadways is make sure there's nothing illegal going from point A to point B.
Yeah, there's some shit going
within
on
the
like
state,
that,
without a state, anything like that.
No.
So no firearms, no electronics.
I came to get my kid.
Okay. Any drugs inside the vehicle?
Not that I know of.
Any crack?
No.
Cocaine?
No.
Opiates?
No.
Marijuana? Meth? Anything like
Not
that?
that I know of.
Okay.
I don't.
Any large amounts of currency?
What's that?
Like a ton of money, like tens of thousands of dollars or anything like that? Would you mind if I searched your vehicle to make sure there's nothing illegal in there?
Yeah, I don't.
You don't mind?
I mean,
I can search it?
I have nothing to hide.
Okay, all right, thanks, I appreciate it. This officer's just gonna get your social and phone number, and that'll be it on there. That's just a warning, it's not a ticket, okay? Just, you gotta have a few issues to take care of with the car and moving violations wise, okay? All right, thanks. She gave consent, so we'll have him come out. All right, don't reach. Back here. What do you have? What do you have by the knife there? Yeah, you're reaching hard, man.
What's by your fault? Why put anything in your face? Why you reaching down there? Hold on.
Here, we're gonna pat you down, okay?
I got a little bit something in my pocket.
What's that?
I got something in my pocket right here. That's
Don't reach. What do you got in your pocket? Can I get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Some weed. How old are you, man?
I'm 20.
You're 20? Okay. You gotta be 21 to have it, alright? So not the end of the world. I appreciate you being honest, though, okay? I'm not looking to jam you up over a little bit of personal use, okay? We can search him. Yeah.
Yeah, just go there.
All right. You got shorts on or are those boxers?
Boxers.
Those are boxers. Okay. You didn't tuck anything down your underwear, down your pants, nothing like that?
Okay.
Just ask him, man.
That's all I have.
Okay, wait.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, man.
Did you already get that side?
Not real well.
Okay. Is that just your vape?
Yeah, this is my lighter.
Or your lighter, rather? Okay.
Yeah, we're walk-on weed.
What's that?
Weed is legal.
Move your hands for me.
Yeah, so in Ohio, if you have weed on you, you have to be 21 years old, okay? You only, what else you got in there?
That's my
Top.
Cuff them.
Yeah. I got it. Feels like pills. Yeah. You guys good? I knew he had some.
Yeah, he crotched the
Hey,
pills.
I'm going to just advise you your rights real quick, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to attorney if you cannot afford attorney.
Hang tight over there for me.
Saying you before any questions if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise those rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
Well, I was
Alright, you understand your rights, man? Alright, what do you have in your mouth?
I don't have nothing for it.
Dude, I don't believe that.
That's how I feel. It feels like pills are like
you've been reaching
big
around
old
in your
crack.
pants the whole time. Just tell me.
That's my lungs.
Yeah, we're gonna find it. All you gotta do is tell me. I know there's something in it. So,
Alright, step back from the car. Alright. If I shake it, is it gonna fall out? Because I don't want to reach in your pants.
No, sir.
It's not gonna fall out?
I'm on the law.
Right on. Alright, let's go back in the second car. What else do you have on you? Because anything else you bring back to jail is going to be an F3. Even if it's a roach, if it's one pill, if it's a needle cap, right? You understand? Okay. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
They are? Okay, thanks, man. I just don't want to get that stuff, you know. It doesn't hold up like regular pills do. I don't want to have somebody get a bunch of powder on them.
is there more in the vehicle?
No, sir. That's
Is there more on you?
no, sir. That's.
You didn't seem too confident on that. So here's what's gonna happen, okay? I'll be honest with you. Thank you for being honest with me. As much as you've been, okay? I get it. You don't want to get in trouble with this.
Sure.
Alright? You're not, you know, El Chapo with this, okay?
Sure.
It's not a small deal, but it's not the end of the world, okay? If you have something else on you, you're gonna go to jail. Alright? I'm just being upfront. Right now you are going to jail, okay? For the possession of these. You're gonna get strip searched in the jail, okay?
Sure.
If you bring anything on in you, even if it's one of these pills or anything at all like that, that's a felony 3. Okay,
Sure.
that's a pretty high felony in Ohio. That's mandatory jail time in most cases. Is there anything else on you? Because I'd rather find it out here and talk with you about it than have you bring it back in there, and then the
Sure.
bosses don't let us really talk. And you
Yeah.
know, it is what it is. You bring something dangerous in the jail.
Yeah.
They don't play with that.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't have nothing else.
Nothing else.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm gonna pat you down again to make sure. Okay, is that cool? All right. He's an adult, so and you're not his
So
mom,
I'm not
right?
allowed to know. So I'm not allowed to know?
He's going back to jail. It's his business. If he wants to tell you, he can, okay? It'd be like if you had something, I wouldn't want to tell him. You know what I mean?
I can't hear it.
Told him to get out. Mom gave consent to search. Told him to get out. He starts reaching in his crotch.
You already checked out this satchel.
I did, but double check it. That's a gun.
Yep.
Baby girl.
Hell yeah. Checking the first one.
Yeah.
I didn't even get there yet. Could run it.
K-Nick? I've never heard of that.
I have.
Hey, ma'am. Is this your bag? Okay.
Nope.
There's another bag
Where was that?
right under the front passenger seat.
Nice.
So I was pulling the seat back. I don't know if it fell or if it was there. I'm like, that bag doesn't look normal.
Where was it?
Right under the front passenger seat. Right on like the seat. I was pulling on this and it fell out. So let's fucking yank these. What'd you find? More?
I don't know what it is.
Where was it at?
Alright, so I peeled this side right here.
Hey,
Yeah.
We just found a whole bunch more.
Yeah, they got hides.
Car back.
Dude, it's
That's not quite a key.
Or that's like a quarter probably.
Dude, if that's weed, I'm gonna be really mad. I know that.
Yeah.